I'm Aditi from IT-Electronics Components. In this video I'm gonna show you how to pay using UPI QR code payment method, which is one of the quickest payment method available on our website. After adding the items on your cart, click on the checkout button and fill the checkout details. On the checkout page you'll find two sections. First one is your shipping and billing address details. After filling your shipping and billing address details, proceed to the next section, which is your payment option. Here you'll select pay using UPI QR code as your payment method. And it will ask you for your UPI address and your handler. Give your UPI address on the box and simply type your handler name or search your handler from the drop-down list. After filling your UPI ID, check the Terms and Conditions checkbox and click on Proceed to Pay button. Then a window with a QR code will automatically pop up. Here payment.itel@paytm is the recipient UPI ID. Now simply just scan this QR code from any UPI apps. And the recipient ID, your order amount, and your order number will be automatically filled. You just have to click on Pay Now button and pay for your order. After successful payment from your UPI app, take a note or copy the 12-digit UPI reference ID. Simply tap on the reference ID, it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. And paste it on your payment confirmation window, and then click on Confirm to confirm your order. Now you have successfully paid and confirmed your order, and your order status will show on hold. After some time it will be automatically changed to processing. If you mistakenly entered a wrong transaction ID, then immediately contact to our customer support team at 9111505552 or mail us at sales@it-electronicscomp.com. Thank you for shopping with us.